எப்படி ஆப்பிள் ஐஃபோன் பேக்கப் மற்றும் ஐடியூன்ஸை பயன்படுத்தி ரிஸ்டோர் செய்வது, அதை பற்றி தான் பார்க்க போகிறோம். வாங்க வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகலாம். வெல்கம் டு டிலைட் லைஃப். இது உங்களுக்கான சேனல்.
Hello friends, this is my iPhone 10. I bought a iPhone 14 now, so we are going to see how we are going to back up this phone from iPhone to the computer to iTunes software. First let's plug in the USB cable. Let's open the iTunes. We are going to connect our iPhone to the cable. Once you connect, it's going to prompt here that phone is connected. Let's cancel this. It's a software upload that's available, and let's sign in to the iTunes store. This is not required, but still I would recommend you sign in with your Apple ID and password. Yeah, we have signed in. We go to account, it shows your name, right? So okay, just click the icon here, this phone icon here. You get the phone details, and it's so simple. Just go to summary, and the second option you'll have the backups option. So this is the first. By default it will be on the iCloud. So we are going to iCloud just has 5 GB space, the free space, and that's not sufficient for our backup because this is a 64 GB iPhone. So let's back up to the personal computer. So let's go for the second option, this computer, then just hit backup now. Make sure you are connected to the phone and just hit backup now. So you see the progress here. Just wait, it is going to take a little time. Okay, it's just prompted to trust this computer. It's just going to give the passcode and trust this computer. Yeah, I just entered it. The backup is in progress. Depending upon your data size, it's going to take a while. Okay, the backup is just completed, and there's no status here. If you see here, it shows the latest backup today at 6 to this computer. So it's successful. Just click done. Just click apply. Okay, let's see where this backup is stored now. Just open the Explorer. Let's go to see users. This is my profile. Let's go to app data, roaming, and you see your Apple computer, and this is where mobile sync. This is where our backup will be there. You see the folder backup, and this is the backup. Let's see the size of this. Oh my god, it's 9 GB. Yeah, our backup is ready. So we will just take the new phone, connect it, and just restore it from this. Okay, language, select the language, country, India. Quick start. Continue without Wi-Fi. Okay, so I just ignore the Wi-Fi since I have my SIM inside with the 4G internet. So yes, it came to data privacy. Continue. I'll set up this later. Passcode. Okay, now I'm going to restore this from my old backup that I have from my computer. So I'm going to select for restore from Mac or PC and connect this. Connected to computer. Welcome to a new iPhone. Restore from this backup. It automatically popped me this option. I'm going to select this. This is the name of my old iPhone. Continue. Continue. Enter the password to unlock your iPhone backup. Restoring iPhone from backup. Okay, the time remaining, let's keep increasing. Restore in progress in my device. Just wait for it to complete. Okay, all my apps are getting downloaded. The restore is restored. Backup is restored. All my settings have come. Let's give us some more time for all the apps to download.